Welcome everybody to another installment of Crypto Moose. And the moose is loose. The moose is loose. We're ready to go. Who else is excited? We're going to be talking about, after you like, comment, and subscribe, my number one crypto investment. People are already messaging me, right? I just got a message right now. What is this investment? So I already shared the story about the mug. I had to buy this. Incredible. Guys, I've been drinking too much coffee, as you can tell, but it's all right. It's all right. So what is my number one investment? Let's get into it. Miss you all. So happy to be back. Guys, no joke. I know I've been saying this, but I was so sick for the past month. I feel good. I'm ready to go. Like if a bear snuck into this room, like 80% of me would be like, I could probably take him right now. Okay, I feel that good. I feel good. So I'm just celebrating. Feel phenomenal. Here's the channel. Guys, check out our other videos. I need more views. This is sad. Like, what am I? What am I? A first grader who's learning how to make videos? Guys, I've been creating videos forever. Come on. Like, come on. We have 100. This is episode, like, 101. We have 100 videos. Please check out our other videos. Enjoy yourselves. Hit these links. We have online courses as well. Okay? So, if we hit refresh, of course, I am filming a lot of content in advance, so nothing's going to look any different. However, Bitcoin is doing good in terms of our past 24 hours. So we were in the slump. Cardano is booming, and that's what I want to talk about. And I do have lower cap altcoins that I like. Kopi, Meld. There are other ones that I like that we'll get into. Matic, I mean, it's a top 10. But there are a lot of projects that I like that I can talk about. But my number one crypto investment is still Cardano. It's ADA, and I want to talk about it in this video just a little bit more. And more specifically, why? Obviously, we have the development of smart contracts now, but look at the price. It's the best bang for buck. Last run, okay, we went pretty easily from 12 cents to $3, basically, okay? We went back down. I started buying right here. Like, I timed this really good. I did not time it good up here, I will admit. I did buy at the high. Okay, I'm not going to pretend like I was some mega genius. I messed up. But I've been buying right here, okay? I'm not telling you to do this. I'm not telling you to buy Cardano. Don't tell people, oh, this guy on YouTube's telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to buy any of this stuff. Invest at your own risk, okay? This is up to you. This is just what I'm doing. But look, we had another leg down. Look where we're at. Okay? I'm telling you, 24 cents, very likely that was the bottom. That's what I think. Now, obviously, I don't know. I think there's Fed stuff going on. I don't know. I'm a long-term macro investor. I'll invest into sports cards. I will invest into coffee if I could. I don't know how else to invest in a coffee. Like, I'm not going to be buying coffee beans, but the point is, Cardano is so obvious to me. Okay, you got Charles Hoskinson, who's still building everything that we're seeing, right? We're going to have Hydra coming out. We've got other innovations, not including smart contracts, which have been super successful. So even right now, let's just talk a little bit about the NFT space. So here's JPEG Store, the most successful marketplace. I noticed a couple things. So if you were to click on some projects, let's see if this one has it. You can buy with ADA. So not like you can buy instantly on some NFTs. You can sell instantly. The point is that we've seen slow, steady innovations with NFTs. Now, I don't like the chilled Kong. Sorry. If you own one, good. But like if you were to pick up a Cornucopia's Dome, that's cool. Okay? But look at all the data we now have. We have activity. So because we have an open blockchain, right? So it's a public ledger. We have past transactions. We have data that's accumulated. And now we're going to be seeing interoperability. Cardano is sick, guys. Cardano is fast. It's cheap. We're going to have even more throughput in the future. And everything that's coming along is going to be nice. It's the most peer-reviewed project. And they've been taking their time. And everything that's been coming out has been a big hit. And it's cheap right now. Right? What are we still 33 cents USD? We're going to be at $3. We're going to be back here in no time. I think from the point in which we're at now, we are going to see massive innovation. And I just put trust in what they're doing with IOHK. Guys, check out Dapp Central. You can follow along even better watching those guys as well. So if we look at the 1 day, we're up massively. Which is pretty cool, right? So it's nice to see. If you go to Cardano's website as well, I forget which age. I don't know if it's like the age of Voltaire we're in or whatever. But the proof of stake mechanism is incredible. Like, I don't know if you guys delegate at all to Cardano, but I'll show you one of my wallets here. So if we go to one of my wallets, you can see that I am delegating currently to the Crow node. But look at this. I'm earning 5 to 7 ADA every 5 days. So I'm also going to be in the Copy stake pool. I'm going to talk about that later. But you can delegate. You can take the assets that you own, which these are held on a Model T, like a Trezor. You can delegate to an ISPO, an initial stake pool offering. You can earn pre-IPO tokens effectively. But this is incredible, right? Proof of stake. You delegate to a stake pool, you earn the new supply. Okay, so you get rewarded for taking your assets and delegating without the risk of a third party. You don't even have to move your assets. You just delegate. Basically, it's equivalent to going to your bank and being like, okay, my funds, I can still take them out whenever I want, but I'm going to sign a transaction just saying that, yeah, I support this project. Like, there's no risk involved with this. It's beautiful. Like, I want you to all experience this in the best way. I always tell people, we have online courses. I have links in the description below. I teach you all this step by step. I take you by the hand and I teach you. But take $10, take $5 and try it out yourself. You're going to learn so much more by maybe even making a small mistake. Don't make big mistakes, but practice for a week. Practice for a day even. Like, watch some more videos. Watch this channel. Subscribe. And I say that because I'm going to be teaching you a lot of this stuff. I already have videos teaching you how to delegate. Okay? But you need to take a risk. And the best way to do it, like, I don't know, take some money. Take $20. Buy some crypto. You can do it with the Crypto.com app. It doesn't matter. The point is you need to get started. Okay, that's my advice. So Cardano, that's my number one investment. There are many reasons for it. I like the proof of stake. I like sending transactions. It's fast. They have NFTs now. It's cheap to buy them. They're undervalued. It's underrated. It's just sick. It's beautiful. It's nice to see the progression of a blockchain that's been doing so well. And I really like the delegation process a lot. And again, it's very easy to buy things. One of my favorite dexes right now, so it's going to be a Decentralized Exchange. Let's go to it. It's MinSwap. So you can very easily swap your Cardano for other assets. So if this loads, I don't know what's going on. It's probably because I'm running OBS. I'm doing all these things. So if we launch this app, you can very easily connect your wallet. So you can see here we have my hockey.ada wallet attached here. So let's say we want to pick up Copy. Maybe I'll even do that. Say you want to exchange 100 ADA and pick up Copy. Boom. You can get 1,000 Copy. Let's do it. I'm a crypto addict anyways. Let's do it. If I can remember my password. So there we go. So now if we go to my wallet, it might take a bit of time. But we are going to exchange. Once we go to our orders, we will have exchanged 100 ADA for Kopi. And you think my demo would have been more successful and that this would be instant for how much I've been hyping it up. But it is fast, typically. But yeah, you can see all the other transactions that I've made not too long ago. So I guess I basically just, threw Cardano under the bus there with this trade. But I'm telling you, it's going to go through. So that's basically how you trade. So right here we're queuing. Sorry, we're doing this in real time. And this video needs to be under 15 minutes because YouTube doesn't allow me to make videos any longer, which is BS. So once you go to your transaction history, you will see all this. So this was 5 days ago. It will look very similar. So after we're done queuing, you will see this trade go through. But I just wanted to make a point that with Cardano, it's very easy compared to Ethereum, where you have to, I think you got to pay like $1,000 just to move like any kind of value on that blockchain. It's pretty pathetic. So anyways, there we go. So it's taken my ADA and I don't have my Kopi yet. So I'd like to see this go through. Come on. Guys, comment down below. Guys and girls, comment down below. What do you think of the channel, by the way? What could I do differently? Like, do I need to start dancing? What do I got to do? You don't want to see me dance anyways. I suck. But, like, what do we have to do here on the channel? You guys want me to talk about, I don't know, everybody seems to like these Netflix murder shows. Like, I'm not going to be talking about that. But if that's what you want, we'll start talking about it, right? So we're waiting for this transaction to hit my wallet. But it was very easily took my money, that's for sure, right? So we're going to have 1,000 Kopi. So I think it's just sending it to my wallet right now as it's connected. So here we have 1,000 Kopi. It's just not being represented on my wallet up here. But here we go. Now we have it. So now we have 1,000 Kopi. So if you're wondering how to buy Kopi, that's how you buy Kopi. Very easy. Connect your wallet. Boom, boom, boom. So that's all I have for you. Comment down below what else you guys would like to see. Try not to sneeze. And yeah, my advice, take $20. Give it a shot. Moose is out.